Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Maka's Home. I'm here today to do my share and my unboxing of my Galentine's loaded envelope swap that I received. This swap is being hosted by none other than Tree from Crafts, as well as Cathy from Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. I'll have their link to their YouTube channels in my description box below, as well as all the other participants who are participating in this loaded envelope swap for Galentine's Day. And so, if you saw yesterday, I'll put the video here if you missed it. I did my little share of what I sent to the person I was assigned, which was Robin from Crafts I Heart. And so today I am receiving my package from Andrea Gould. She's Andrea Gould here on YouTube. I believe that's how you pronounce her name. And she's a new crafty friend to me. So thank you so much, so much. I'm so excited. This thing is like stuffed. I was afraid of stuffing mine because I didn't want it to get smashed. But anyway, we'll get into it. So let me pull everything out. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And I'm gonna say right off the bat, the one thing that I wish I would have included, and I totally didn't think of it, is like, you know, Valentine's candy. So I think I pulled it all out of the package. And look at, it was all in this thing, in this Ziploc package, wrapped with this beautiful yarn. And it said, handmade with love. Thank you, thank you. This pencil did fall out. I love seasonal pencils. And, okay, so I have a envelope here with a card. Look at how beautiful. And then I think she's added like glossy accents to the flower as well as the bear's bow. She probably colored this up. She's layered a few different cardstocks as well as the, well, not a few, just a few pieces of cardstock and this layer of glittered paper. She has this gold foil hello. The sides are all, I think this is probably a border punch. Could be a die. This is so pretty, and she does have it popped up on dimensionals, and layered behind she has some cute doilies. Pretty. Thank you so much. And the inside she's decorated too. She's added some of this trim. She's added this red border trim. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Andre. And then this might have all been like in one thing and this was in another thing, but like I said, I was just like pulling stuff out. But look at how cute. So like 2 pockets. This is beautiful. She's added this trim. These might be cut aparts from a paper pad. She's added some stickers. Beautiful. And then these 2 things were in it. This is a great little pocket. Oh my gosh. So she has this bow, and at first glance I thought this was a Mickey, because it could look like a Mickey. But she has this beautiful bow on this doily, and she's wrapped this with ribbon. And let's just get into it. So we needed to include some embellishments. I think that was the only thing, was embellishments that we needed to include. Of course you can add whatever you want to. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, how cute. Look at him. This one almost looks like my doggy. I have a Chihuahua. He's a black Chihuahua. So cute. And it comes with a die. Perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, and I love these stickers. Oh, look at how cute these flamingos are. So cute. And heart stickers. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will definitely be using these. Yes, thank you. And then another, look at how cute this little packaging is with the handle. And if you know, like last month I was on a no spend. It's kind of gone over to this month, but I actually did buy some things, but I'm really trying not to buy and just to use up what I have, because I do have enough. Look at this cute little canvas bag, and she had it all stuffed with crinkles, and it has a heart on it. I think these are from Dollar Tree. I have a few of these, I believe. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? Oh, how cute this pen is. I remember these. I used to have these when I was in grade school. Notepad so I could keep notes. And then, ooh, there's some goodies in here. Oh, let's whack this and check it out. It's going to work. Was I supposed to take it out of this plastic? No, right? Maybe? Oh yeah, maybe. It said smack the pack. I don't know. I might have did that wrong. Should I peel it off? Oh, it opens itself. Did you guys see that? I didn't need to help it. It could pop itself open. Oh, we'll sit down here and just watch it grow. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and then I have another little Valentine pen. And then, oh, she gifted some sequin mix. I love sequin mixes. I think I just hoard sequin mixes. This thing is still growing. I hear it. And then, what else? This was in this bag as well. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute little bag. Look at the truck. It's not the red truck, it's the blue truck. How cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she like stuffed it with goodies. Yes, this is my crafting goodies. And then I believe this is the loaded Galentine envelope. Those were just all extras. Like, wow. I don't think I added too much extras in mine. Oh boy. Okay, so look at how pretty the colors. The colors are so pretty. She's wrapped it in the Ziploc bag for protection from the elements, because I know in some parts of the United States you guys are freezing. I think our weather today is gonna be in the mid to low 70s. You can't really see, but the sun is like shining brightly through my window. Some of this light is from the sun, some from my light, my enhanced lights. But look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So she used an envelope as the base. It looks like she added this pocket here in the front, but it is trimmed with this beautiful trim on the bottom, the heart trim. She added this love piece here, a doily, this glittered bow, and then look at this frosted glass heart center. So pretty. She also has this dangle. How cute. So pretty. Look at her dangle. Oh my gosh, with the key, with the heart. So beautiful. Huh. Is this just a stick pin? Oh my gosh, I can do that. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. She just used a stick pin, I think. So smart. Because I'm not good at wire wrapping and all of that. Wow, I'll have to try that. Thank you. Thank you for the inspiration. So she has this little pocket, like I said, in the front, which maybe something was, no. And then, I don't want to like pull things apart. Okay, so I think the fur boa is part of the trim around the envelope, you know, the V. So let me just pull stuff out slowly and gently, and then we'll look at them better. How pretty. Oh, look at this spray. How cute are these hearts? Cute, cute. And then more. Wow, so much stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you. I believe another card maybe. How stinking cute are these bugs? They are too cute. Love bugs. Oh my goodness, how cute. Look at her topper. So pretty. Thank you. How cute is this dragonfly? This came from somewhere. It's got 3 layers. So pretty. His body is glittered up. Let's see if we can focus better on him. Look at how pretty he is. Oh, Andre, thank you so much. So much, so much. Okay, we're still pulling stuff out. This is like a load. Okay, I've pulled everything out of the lovely envelope. Let's look at this envelope one more time. Look at how beautiful with the trim, the boa trim. She's added this heart and lace trim. The paper has border on it. Looks like trim. She's added this beautiful pocket on the front. And she's added her information on the back. Thank you so much again, Andre. I appreciate it so much. So let's look at what she's stuffed in it. Oh my gosh, look at this die. She has a bag topper, a coffee bag topper. I don't believe I have this die. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Someone did make me some of these die cuts though, but oh, I'm so excited. Yes, I am a coffee connoisseur. Oh, and pretty. I think this spells out love. These layered, glittered letters. And then, oh, I forgot about this card. How pretty. So I think she's made this envelope as well. And it just says, thank you. So beautiful. She's just thanking for the swap. How fun. And she's left it blank so I could reuse it. Thank you so much. Look at all this layering. And she even did this ribbon. She like sewed it through the die cut. How cute. Beautiful. Thank you. And then, let's see. Right here, we got this. Look at how beautiful. I think these are bag toppers. Let's get into it. But I love this die too. This is a beautiful die. I don't have that die. And look at how beautiful this is. I don't have this die either. But how cute this bag topper is. It's all packaged and ready to go. She has these clear rubber bands. I think they're rubber bands, right? And you can slip them on and off. They stretch. Slip them on and off. And she's tucked the bag for the bag topper right here. How beautiful. So cute. This is a great packaging idea. Love it. And then she's got a few different conversational hearts as the centers. This one says hot stuff. This one says be mine. This one says you rock. And this one says love. Oh, they are gorgeous. Thank you so much. Beautiful, beautiful. And then let's see what's in this. Oh yeah. Oh, look at some Valentine's Day paper pad. Look at all the different papers. Oh, I love it. It's from ccdesignsrs.com. Thank you, thank you. And then we'll do this. She has the little trim tied around this, like a belly band. Oh my goodness. I've got another pencil and a pen. Yes. And it looks like she made a little notebook. How beautiful. She's covered a notebook with some beautiful paper and added this beautiful die cut embellishments. Love it. She's also included, amongst all the other stuff, she's also included some bows. Look at how beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you. And then she's also included some embellishments. Like, wow. And I think these bows just came separated from the glue, so I can reattach those, no problemo. She's used some paper roses, some pearls, this gingham ribbon, and she's added that blingy bow, and also this bead sentiment on this glittered foamy. Oh, these are gorgeous. Bag topper here. She just added this quadrupled bowl. So beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate all the goodies you've shared. Thank you so much. So go check out the other channel below. Everyone else who's participating in the swap, you'll be able to see what I gave my crafty partner. Her link is in the description box below. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Thank you, Tree, and thank you, Cathy, for hosting the Galentine's loaded swap envelope swap. I appreciate you guys thinking of me and inviting me to join you wonderful ladies. For more videos like these, see here, please consider liking and subscribing. And until my next video, shakas!